Hello friends, I am Dr. Manasa. I did my MD Anesthesia and Intensive Care from PGIMER Chandigarh and presently working as a consultant in Hyderabad. Anesthesia is one of those subjects where you don't have much knowledge and exposure during your undergraduation period, both theoretically and practically. But for your entrance examination, there is a clear change in trend of number of questions asked and type of questions asked from anesthesia in the last 5 years. The number of questions asked range from 6 to 14, averaging up to 8 questions from anesthesia in each paper. JIPMER 2018 has maximum number of questions asked from anesthesia till date, that is 18 questions. Coming to the type of questions asked, rather than the questions from conventional anesthetic pharmacology, 65 to 70% of questions are from fundamentals of anesthesia like pre-anesthetic checkup, anesthesia workstation, breathing systems, airway equipment, monitoring, and recent updates and recent guidelines, and also many image-based questions. I took extreme care to make anesthesia very simple for you, such that you can complete entire anesthesia videos, notes, question banks, revision, recent updates, that is 4 revisions, even in 72 cumulative hours. And I assure you that you will not miss even a single question of anesthesia and intensive care in your entrance examination. And videos are designed in such a way that at the start of each chapter, few important topics from where MCQs are asked are mentioned, and at the end of each chapter, there is a quick and focused revision which not only helps you in recollecting the points but also improves your confidence and satisfaction levels. And few MCQs of that chapter are discussed at the end of each chapter. Question banks are curated in such a way that all the important past MCQs are included along with very informative and crispy explanations. And special emphasis is made on recent updates, image-based questions, and potential MCQs where you can expect significant chunk of questions. And then coming to few points regarding your preparation. Revision and learning from mistakes are the two important components of your entire preparation. This not only applies to anesthesia but also to all other subjects. Remember, a topic which is not revised is as good as not read. And the best way to do revision is spaced repetition method and time-bound revision. This time-tested spaced repetition method can be done by revising a topic which you read today again on tomorrow, on 7th day, on 16th day, on 35th day, and a week before your examination. Except for the first revision where you can spend 6 hours for anesthesia, all the other revisions should not be more than 3 hours. This time-bound revisions not only enhances your memory but also boosts up your confidence. And learning from your mistakes is the another game changer. Remember, a mistake which is repeated more than once is a decision. There is nothing wrong in making mistakes while solving MCQs in apps, in your grand test, or any other practice examination, but you should not repeat the same mistake in your final entrance examination. This is our goal. You should not repeat the same mistake in your final entrance examination. For that, you have to consolidate the topic on the same day when you have solved the MCQs and note down all the mistakes which you have made and the concept 2 to 3 lines regarding that concepts. and try to go through these mistake notebooks a week before your examination. And trust me, this is going to be the game changer. Okay, please follow these tips along with your own study plan. And we are all here to help you, guide you, and motivate you in all the possible ways to clear your entrance examinations. And I wish you all the very best. Thank you.